It's hard to do anything in your car when your buttons look like this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda inside Project Overlander. This is Jeep Commander here. Has seen some better days. 20 years of use has meant that the buttons down here on the center console, especially this one, and then these down here, you can't even tell what they are because they're basically worn away. And that means it's really hard to select the things in your car that you need to select. So I actually found these online. They are basically stickers. Black stickers that you can put over buttons. You can get these for all sorts of cars. If they don't have your car, you can kind of get the sticker that's closest and cut it to fit the button. But these are actually made for the Commander or the Jeep Grand Cherokee, which has the same center console. And so I thought that I would take these stickers, so you can see, like this one is the replacement for the information center up here, and put these on here. Now, one thing I will say, even this blank one, starting to come up, all this black plastic is coming up, and so they end up sending you a sticker that's just blank, which is really nice. And then I'll be able to tell what these are. FYI, this is menu, and this is step, and this is reset, and that is CT. Oh, the old CT button right there. And one of the things that might not be super easy to see here is that on the bottom of these buttons, there is a little raised ridge on some of them, just so you can feel where the button is, which is kind of interesting. And on some of these stickers, what's nice is that those raised ridges have little cutouts, so I can pop out the bottom there so it won't be lumpy. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do here is take an alcohol pad and just wipe down the buttons to make sure there's nothing on it, and then I will apply these as delicately and as accurately as I can, and hopefully it will look a lot better than what it looks like right now. All right, so I put them on there. First of all, I want to tell you that no one's going to get in your car and be like, man, these look like brand new buttons, but they're also not going to stick out like they're all worn off. You know, that catches the eye. So actually, some of your buttons are in pretty good shape. Some of these down here were pretty good shape. This one I replaced because the seat heater button must have been the one that was used the most. And then these up here also. Now, I want to show you that on this side, this button has a little bit of a beveled edge. And so you can see the sticker isn't really sticking really nicely there. But on the flat ones, like right here, they look pretty good. I can feel the edge of the sticker on there. This is kind of a janky solution, but it's more about finding a $5 fix for worn out buttons than replacing this whole thing, which I don't even think they make new anymore. So you'd buy a used part anyway. So this is a pretty good option for a cheap, easy to do repair that's going to let you know what all your buttons do without having to go and do some major restoration work. So if you want to pick up these little button covers, replace the ones that are bad, don't replace the ones that aren't, and then know what all these buttons do, like launch missiles or serve Grey Poupon or whatever, I think you're going to like it. Cheap is good in my book because I'm a cheap guy. I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.